Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. A couple of weeks ago I bought these gloves from Apis Tactical. It's still winter here, spring's coming, I'm excited to use them. In that process of buying those gloves, I've exchanged a few messages with Jeff over at Apis and had a great experience. The guy is awesome, the company is fantastic. And out of the blue, this week I received this box of products and I want to open them with you. And I didn't pay for it, full disclosure, but I thought it would be cool to open the box and react to what's there with you. So let's get into it. All right, let's jump in. I, by the way, got my gloves very fast. The shipping was unbelievable. I expected for things to take multiple days, and I think it was like the next day or the day after that I received them. All right, the box is open. This is like Christmas. I can't believe how excited I am. I'm embarrassed a little bit, but let's jump in and see what we got here. Okay, business card from Jeff. Okay, what's the first thing that we're looking at here? We got box within a box, or a bag within the box. Okay, we've got this pen here with the measurements on there. I'm going to separate that. Got a couple of those. That's pretty cool. I didn't see those on the website. I might have missed them. I'll link to all of this in the description if it's listed on the site. Jeff told me that they had several products that they were coming out with that were not on the site yet. Oh, this is cool. Look at these different Hive tools, different sizes. Look at that, one size. You've got the standard Hive tool. This is super sturdy. The coat of paint on there seems high quality. This is a standard Hive tool, but it's smaller. So you have the extra small one, small, and then you have a couple larger here that he sent. Let's open those up. I love the Hive tools with the hook on there to pull up those frames. Nice sharp edges, not too sharp obviously, but nice sharp edges is always nice. Okay, got a hat. Can always use another hat. Let's take a closer look at this. Oh, that is nice. Look at that. Apis Tactical logo on there. Great material. And just like their gloves, you've got the breathable mesh. Super nice. I am a fan, Jeff didn't know this about me, but I am a huge fan of the Velcro snapbacks. Big fan, easy to use, one size fits all. Pretty slick. Okay, and then we've got a, ooh, nice. We've got a repair kit. Let's open that up. Crack that open. This by the way, is very high quality. You can tell just holding it. Apis does not mess around with the quality of their products. Look at that. You've got the mesh, I'm sure, for the gloves if you ever need to repair them. All the things that you would need, needles, scissors, etc. Thread, tape measure. You've got the adhesive right here. Very, very nice. Their products, I know, are built to last for years, and they will. But if you ever have any problems after a few years, you've got a repair kit. Very cool. All right, here we are. We're at the, oh, and you have an instruction guide for the repair kit. I can see anybody needing that because you want stuff that lasts a long time. In talking to Jeff, it's very readily apparent that he doesn't want products that people have to run through over and over and over again. He wants things to last for a long time. I don't know about you. We'll review the gloves later this season, but I've bought several pairs of gloves, and I just fly through them. Some pairs only last a few hive inspections, and that just doesn't work for me. They've got really cool apparel, got a polo here with their logo on it. We'll definitely be using that. And then have more of an active wear type of shirt right there. It looks like it's long sleeve, so you'll probably see me wearing that around. Anyway, this has been fantastic. Thank you, Tactical, for sending that. Hopefully that's helpful. I'll put a link to these things to the extent that they have them on their website. I will add them in the description. Go check them out. Apis Tactical. Okay, talk to you soon.